That's a sheepshead. Good.
What?
Yeah.
What do I do?
Here, give me a second. It's awesome. It's a baby, but it's a...
In the water a little bit or leave it out?
It's fine. Just keep him in the little baby. Snapper. Why are they so pale? Let go of the rope. See how I'm not pulling on it? So he's not shaking. When he's running, let him run. Just do what I'm doing next time.
Like it's that easy.
Little by little. Strong fish. Ooh, baby. It's a big fish. Come on. So you keep him moving one direction, you usually can pull him in, but once he turns, that's when he goes. Not much you can do when he turns. Should have another rod out there, probably could hook another one while biting this one. I wonder if this is the one with the heavy line or the light line. You're gonna have to hold the pole up here. Yeah. All right, grab him. Get the net under his head.
Under his head?
Yeah, and don't pull on the net because that net's broken. Go under. All right, hold him there. Don't move. Don't move. I'll grab his tail. I'll grab his tail if I can. Okay. All right, get this pole for me.
Oh my God.
It's a beast, baby. Reel it. You're winning. Yep. Good job, Lauren. For that monster drum. Let's see him again. This one looks a little smaller than the last one. But he's still over 40 pounds.
There he is. Right there.
Lauren hates these things because they take too long. Don't let the line hit the boat.
Alright, I'm gonna take over. Come on.
Now you're Facebook Live, you can't quit. I'm not deleting the video either, so you gotta finish this. Fish keeps getting farther away. Alright, we'll come back when we actually get it to the boat.
He's so close.
I gotta grab that clear line. Alright, bring this way.
Got him?
Yeah. Watch everybody stop now. Yeah, look, everybody's coming to us. I guarantee you everybody stops and fishes. Another monster. Give me a smile, Lauren.